Bonjour tout le monde. We're going to do Répondez. We did this on September 20th, 2021. But if you need some help with this is Répondez from French 1, Monday, September 20th. All right, Répondez, that means answer. Answer these questions in complete sentences using the cues provided, like the model. Vous êtes ici? Are you here? Or you are here? Oui, nous sommes ici. Yes, we are here. So if the question is, are you all here? It's vous, plural. So are you all here? The answer is, yes, we are here. Numéro 1, if the question is, Caroline est en Europe? Is Caroline in Europe? We're going to answer with, yes, she is in Europe. So oui, elle est en Europe. Again, it changed in the model because it was you to us, you, we. But in number 1, it's just Caroline is a girl, so just is Caroline in Europe? Yes, she is in Europe. Oui, elle est en Europe. And you just conjugate for être. Numéro 2, Daniel Radcliffe est acteur. Remember the Harry Potter series? And now he's a boy, so we could replace him with il. Oui, il est acteur. So Caroline is a girl, elle, but Daniel is a boy, il. So you say il est acteur. He is an actor. Céline Dion et Beyoncé sont chanteuses. Notice how chanteuse has an S at the end. It's plural. And we're using the verb sont because we have two girls, so we can replace that with elles. Elles sont chanteuses. Oui, elles sont chanteuses. Again, make sure you write down your verb chart that we did, the être one. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. That's just I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, you are, they are. So, elles sont chanteuses. Numéro 4, tu es optimiste. Are you an optimist? Like, are you a happy person? Are you an optimist? Now, if the question is with you, tu, the answer is with je, I. So you say, yes, I am an optimist. So, again, the question, tu es optimiste? The answer, oui, je suis optimiste. And numéro 5, tes cours sont intéressants. We're talking about your classes. Your classes are interesting. You can say, yes, they are interesting. And remember, objects are either he, she, or they. So we say, oui, ils sont intéressants. And notice how intéressant has an S on the end. We'll learn that soon. The adjectives have to be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural to match up with the nouns. We had ils, plural, so ils sont intéressants. Merci. Hope that helps.